Hey guys, it's me, Liz here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make hummingbird water. And this is this nectar that if you have a hummingbird feeder, and this is how you can make to put in your hummingbird feeder. And in an upcoming video on my channel, I'll have how to make a hummingbird feeder. But anyway, I'm at my dad's work right now, so that's just a different setup and all. But let's get started with what you need for the project. A base so you can lay down that can get messy, because you might get messy, you might not. A spoon, water, and something to hold the water, and sugar. You want to make sure it's either natural or pure cane sugar. So, and then food dye is optional. And if you do food dye, you'll want to have red food dye because the hummingbirds are attracted to red. But I'm not going to be adding food dye today. So first I'm going to take my hummingbird, my water, and then I'm going to want to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm just going to estimate the other tablespoon. Okay, there we are, about 2. And I can see it all floating down there on the bottom. So I'm just going to mix it until I don't see any more sugar. Okay, now we're going to want to add more sugar. So you just want to do it in sections so it's like not as much to mix and the water doesn't get oversaturated. So again, I'm going to mix till I see no more sugar. Let's see where we're at. So basically that's it. That's how you make the hummingbird water. And if you would like to add food dye, that's the time you do it. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.